Okay guys, we're going to go over the directions for our web quest. So you're going to have a blank document. It can be a piece of paper that you're doing this by hand on, or it can be a document that you use on Notability. What you're going to do is you're going to divide it into 10 pretty equal sections, okay? And each section has its own dedicated assignment. So, in section 1 right here, you are going to draw and label the parts of the kelp, as I discussed in the notes on the anatomy. You can copy and paste the picture in there instead of drawing it, but you have to label the parts in your own handwriting. If you copy and paste a pre-labeled diagram, I'm not going to give you any credit. You got to show me that you at least took the effort to label the little pieces. Make sure that you use the right vocabulary. Say pneumaticist, not gas bladder. Okay? Then in section 2 up here, you are going to draw and label the 4 parts of the kelp forest. You again can copy and paste a picture into it, but you're going to label the canopy, the mid-story, the holdfasts, and the seafloor in your own handwriting. Again, if you copy and paste a pre-labeled diagram, no points. Alright, section 3. You are going to tell me 3 producers found in the kelp forest. Now, of course, kelp is going to be one of them. Okay? But you got to list 3. Okay? Your list has to be handwritten, and you're going to draw one of them. Or you're going to copy and paste an image from the internet. Okay? Section 4. You're going to list 3 consumers found in the kelp forest. One has to be an herbivore, one has to be a carnivore, the other 2 can be whatever you want. And you have to identify next to which one's which. Okay? Pick one and illustrate it. You can hand draw it, or you can copy and paste that picture from the internet. However, remember your list has to be handwritten. 7 points. Section 5, you're going to tell me 3 decomposers found in the kelp forest, and you're going to illustrate one. Hand-drawn or copy and paste it from the internet, but you know your list of decomposers is in your own handwriting. Section 6, I think is fun. You're going to research one type of gastropod. So you can choose a sea bunny, a sea hare, a sea slug, or a sea butterfly. You're going to have a picture of the species you researched, hand-drawn, or copy and paste it from the internet. Make sure you give me its scientific name with proper binomial nomenclature. Capitalize first name, lowercase the second name, and underline both the genus and the species. Then you're going to explain one adaptation of the gastropod that you researched in your own handwriting, and you're going to tell me where in the world it can be found. And it does not have to be in a kelp forest. Okay? Section 7. Describe and illustrate 3 human activities that negatively impact the kelp forest ecosystem. You can hand draw or copy and paste images from the internet. However, your description must be handwritten, and this time I want complete sentences. I want to know what your 3 human activities, how they're really negatively impacting the kelp forest. So please do complete sentences there. Section 8, you're going to do 3 human activities that positively impact the kelp ecosystem. If you Google kelp forest restoration, you should find plentiful answers for that. You can hand draw or copy and paste 3 images from the internet, but either way, you have 3 pictures when you turn it in. And again, your explanation, you're describing the 3 activities that impact the kelp forest ecosystem are handwritten in complete sentences. Section 9. Tell me about 3 products or uses of kelp. You can hand draw or copy and paste images from the internet, but your description of these products are done in complete sentences. And then the last section is tell me 3 fun facts, 3 wow facts that you learned about the kelp forest, handwritten in complete sentences. And then on the back or on a separate sheet of paper, you are going to provide citations in APA format. I think I spelled something wrong, and it didn't tell me. Oh, it's okay. No worries. You guys know what separate means. Okay? You can use these links that I gave you down here, the National Ocean Service, National Park Service, National Marine Sanctuaries, and Oceana, and those can be sources that you use. Make sure you switch them to be APA format, but you also need 2 additional reputable sources. And then I tried to give you the citation machine already set up to a website, so hopefully that will be that. Okay, so that's 100 points. This can really, really help your grade. All right, let me know. I'm on Google Meets if you need me. All right, bye.